The reggae music for me. Maybe not people to understand the thing I'm talking about. The reggae. Reggae is the life of Tiwa. Oh, stick your me over time. If you're living the reggae music. Time. Say. You know me reggae music. Reggae music. You know me reggae music. Reggae music for you. Why you be crying? You feeling alright? Why you be crying? You be feeling amazing. I want to see the truth for you, everybody. I wanna see the truth for you, oh everybody. I wanna thank you for listening. Way many time for everything. You waste your time for a time to wait to get with the things of you. Reggae music for me. You sitting, you reggae music. Everybody need the peace. I need a piece of my life. Everybody they need the peace. I need a piece of my life. Where to go? Somebody wanna tell me. You wanna try to get me. Somebody wanna try me. To try to destroy my things. Oh, I'm living for home. Years ago. I'm living for home. The years ago. Who will check my time now? Everybody wanna return to me. Who will take me my time? Everybody return to me. I want feeling in your time. I want checking me anywhere. You try to check me for my life. Really wanna many things of the people don't see all reggae music to me. Really wanna many want to glorious. Really many reggae people want to check me to destroy me. I want to anybody. Oh, you destroy now many things. Yeah, reggae music. I feeling it alright. My reggae music, reggae music to me. I want to tell you, everything you come to me, you feeling alright. Reggae music.